Avonley Courtney.
And today we're going to be taking you along with us thrifting, and we're going to show you what we find, and
it's going to be super fun. And we're just going to go to a couple places in San Diego. So let's get in the car. We're here at the first place. Avonley found this jean jacket, and it's like oversized and cute, but she has like about the same one on, so I'm going to get it. Yeah, and it's from Nordstrom's. Come on.
okay, a champion sweater. It's really cute. It has like a little champion.
Oh, that's cute.
But it's really
you could, like,
big.
even crop it.
Yeah,
you could crop it, cut it, and then just wear it. Yeah. Yep, we got two things so far.
Hey, these are corduroy.
Oh yeah.
And skinny.
The champion sweater and the jeans. Yay! The jean jacket, not the jeans.
Yeah, no, jacket.
Yeah. So we got like two things, but we're gonna go to another thrift store, right, Mom? Yes. Yeah. We got shakes. Okay, we're at Goodwill now. I've found some jeans. That's about it. I don't really find anything. She does.
We just got back from thrift shopping.
Yeah, it was kind of a disappointment because the second place we went to, they didn't have much stuff. And
Yeah, it was a Goodwill, so and there's a lot of people there. They just didn't have that many clothes.
I mean,
they're
didn't
just kind of
have much
outdated.
time left because we had to get back.
Gross. Yeah, and we didn't have much time left today, but we're gonna do another thrift
Yeah.
video.
So we only got
We're
two
shopping.
things.
Yeah, we
The
got
first
two
place we
things.
went
She
to.
got something and I got
this
something.
champion sweater that you saw.
Yeah, and we got them from the
It's-
first place that we went to.
Yeah.
We both
So
got-
it's like, I'm going to crop it, but we're going to show you guys what we do to them. And then she got the Nordstrom jacket,
yeah.
but what we're going to do
It's actually a men's
it's
jacket,
like-
I think.
Yeah.
So like the bottom, as you see, is just like
It's
it
just
doesn't
awkward.
have like hers does.
cut it and distress it. And then
Yeah,
that's just
so
gonna-
we're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut both things, honestly. And so first, let's try this on. Yeah, let's try it on.
Yeah, okay.
Before cutting it.
Yeah. To see where we
To
want
see
it.
where we want it.
Okay, so we'll see you.
Okay, let's cut it. Ah! I just shoved my overalls down because I'm not feeling changing. Okay, let's try it on. So Avonley's got hers on. It's actually not even that bad without cutting it.
No, honestly,
It's just
not.
like looks like an oversized.
It's just
Okay.
oversized, but it's a little big and it just, I don't know.
Oh, did you fold these sleeves in?
So I'm just gonna like cut it there. I don't know, just crop it, you know.
It's not like this jean jacket looks that bad.
No, it's just like it could be better.
We're gonna mark it with a marker. Where's a marker? Okay. So I want to start just above like this low button, you know?
Well, let's try at
I
the
wanna, like,
button
start-
before we go to the buttonhole.
Oh, okay.
Like,
Okay,
do you
well,
want
I want to match it up. Okay, we're cutting it. Wait, let's cut it. Let's cut it. Let's just cut it. Okay,
Let's cut
hold
it.
it like
Let's
this. Okay. I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay, oh. Okay. You cut that side and then I'll unrest. Like, you want to keep it straight when you cut it. Isn't it cute?
Yeah, it's really cute. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Okay, so we went bowling and we had lots of fun, and while we let the jacket wash in the washer, and now we're letting it dry. So here is the jacket. The outcome. Yeah, it's pretty great. I'm just gonna try it on real quick.
Let's see it.
Looks pretty great. We're gonna do the sweater a different day because we're actually in a hurry to go somewhere. So we're gonna cut the sweater a different day.
So it turned out really cute.
Yeah, it's cute. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't have any pockets right here. But that's okay. It's still cute for, how much did we get it for? $9?
$9.
Yeah. It's perfect. Please like this video.
We hope you enjoyed, and leave a comment of any videos you want to see in the future.
Subscribe. Thanks. Bye.